What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this new video, how to write a high converting product review. In this video I will show you some key points that you needed to include your review for getting high conversion. Okay, so if you want to write a products review and if you can include all the key points inside your review, you must get better result. I personally write digital products review and I follow all the rules, all the points, and I get results. So I can assure you, you must get results if you can follow all the key points. Okay, step by step I will show you how you can write a perfect review. Okay, I am Raju Bhadro, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer ClickBank, JPju and many other high ticket programs, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. So guys, first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. I try my best to cover JPju method, ClickBank method, high ticket program, free traffic, Google Ads, everything CPA method you will get inside my YouTube channel. And if you are interested to make money with affiliate marketing and if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then you can check my number on recommendation or you can check my video description. You see here, make 10,000 per month affiliate commission. You can check it and you know it. Traffic is the key to online success. If you want to uh, get, if you want to make big money, if you want to make online sales, then you must need traffic. And for this reason, you can get unlimited buyer traffic. You can check this traffic secret. Okay, and a lot of money making opportunities you can check inside my video description. Okay guys, I will show you how to write a high converting review. Do you want to write perfect review? Do you want to get high conversion for every review? If yes, then follow all the key points that I include inside my review and that I will show you in this video. So guys, you have to focus the top key points of a review. Most of the newbie marketer, most of the advanced marketer write a review that as usual as the sales page, but you have to write a review according to the sales page and you have to gather all the info from sales page, but you have to feature, you have to include all the key points that basically customers, that basically your audience want to get inside your review. And if you can include all those key points, then I assure you, you must get better result. Okay, now uh, you can see here the top key points of a review. And before starting all the key points, I want to show you some of the new products. Okay, visit the Mansai product launch calendar. You will get all the products info inside this Mansai. You see here, it's the product launch calendar. Okay, you see here all the new product, upcoming release product of JPju Warrior plus ClickBank you will get here, and you can choose any of the offer to write a perfect review and get results. Okay, suppose you want to promote this product. Okay, open this, then you will get the JB page. Okay, JB page means all the affiliate details inside this JB page about this product, or the feature, benefits, everything you will get inside this JB page. Okay, you see here, and in every product you get this JB page, and inside the JB page you will get all the information, then the sales page of the product, everything. and uh, you have to collect your info from this JB page and from the sales page. Okay, now I will show you how you can get info from JB page and sales page and what's the key point. Okay, you see here it's the JB page. You see all the info about this product. Now you see here the JB documents. You see the sales page. You see here the sweep and bonuses, and you will get your affiliate link of this product to promote this product. Okay, visit the JB document to get all the, you see here, here's the JB page, here is the affiliate link, here is the sales page preview, here is the pre-launch page, here is the email swipe, everything you will get this JB document. Okay, then the product demo, product discount, coupon, everything you will get inside the JB page. Okay, all the funnel details you will get inside the JB document. Okay, now if you want to write a review, then you need sales page. Okay, visit the sales page. It's the sales page of this product, sellers pal. Okay, sellers pal products, JB page, JB document, and the sales page, and you need all these three pages to write your perfect review. Now I want to discuss all the key points of a review. At the first, introduction. You have to introduce about the product in a shortcut. Okay, at the shortcut you have to introduce about this product. Suppose this is seller's pal product, and you see here, attention, this is your ultimate chance to tap into the fast growing e-com, freelancing, and e-learning industry without even having your own product. Okay, that means this software provides their product for freelancing, e-marketing, and freelancing, e-learning, and e-com. They provide their product, and you see fast to JBU 5 in on proprietary technology lets you. Okay, then you have to invest, you have to spend 10 to 20 minutes to read the sales page. It's my recommendation, I personally do it. Okay, you have to spend 10 to 20 minutes inside the sales page, then get all the info about this product. You see here all the info about this product, then start writing your review. Okay, so at the first you have to write a introduction in shortcut, okay, about this product. Okay, fine. Then the second key, okay, introduce this product vendor. You will get the introduction about this vendor inside the sales page. If you check the sales page, you see here, here's the vendor of this product. Every sales page you get the same points. Okay, then the third point, and in the third point you can include how it works. Okay, it may be a software, it may be a training program, it may be any service. Okay, and you have to open how it works. Okay, and don't worry, you will get everything inside the sales page. Okay, if you see here, now you can start selling online in easy 3 steps. That means this software works in just 3 steps. You have to follow all the 3 steps to apply this method, and this software works following these 3 steps. Okay, so you can get it inside the sales page, how it works. Okay, and number 4, features. Okay, every digital product includes a lot of features, and you have to include the features of this product, of the software, of the training. Okay, and you will get all the features inside the JV page. Okay, you see here the innovative features, you see all the features here. Okay, then inside the sales page you will get all the features of this product, of this software. Okay, then number 5, what you get, include the inside the software, inside the training, inside the program, inside the service. Okay, you can indicate it, you can disclose it. Okay, what you get inside the software, and it's obviously it's mandatory, because your audience, your customer want to know it, what they will provided by this software, what they will get inside the software or training, they want to know it. Okay, and you have to include it as your key points. Okay, what you get. Then number 6, every software, every training program, every product includes their traffic secret inside the sales phase. Okay, then you can added this point, how to get traffic or how manage this software, how to manage traffic, this software, how to manage traffic, how to get traffic, how to generate traffic using this software. Okay, that means you have to disclose the traffic secret, the traffic system, the traffic method inside your review. Okay, then key point number 7, and how to make money. Okay, you have to include it, you have to you have to disclose how this software or this system works and how it helps you to make money. Okay, so you have to disclose it inside the review. Okay, fine. Then it's on of your opinion. Okay, does it ought to buy or not, does it a scam or a legit, what's the benefits, what's the pros and cons of this software, this product. Okay, you have to include this does it ought to buy or not. Okay, inside the sales page you will get a lot of positive things, a lot of positive features, then you can include it inside your review and make it it's if you think it's ought to buy, then you can share it. If you think it's doesn't ought, then you can share it. Okay, and you will get all the info inside the sales page. Okay, fine. Now number 9, funnel details. Most of the 99% digital product included a lot of upsell and downsell upgrades. Okay, and you have to include all the funnel details inside your review because people want to learn about it, and you have to include all the funnel details inside your review. Okay, and key points number 10, it's final opinion or your conclusion. At the bottom of your review you can make a details about this product, is it worth or not. Actually it's your final opinion, and you have to include some few marketing languages here. If you want to promote positive review, okay fine, then you have to introduce this product as a good product. If you want to promote it as a negative, then after at the end, at the finally, you want to say it doesn't owe the value of this product. So you can turn your review or a positive or a negative. Okay, it's dependent on you. Okay, and that's it, all the key points, all the 10 key points here. At the first you have to introduce about this product, then introduce the vendor, then number third how it works, number four all the features of this product, of this software, then number five what you get, what this software or service provided, the fee, the benefits. Okay, then the number six the traffic system, then number seven how to make money, how it helps to make money, number eight does it work or not, and number nine funnel details, and number 10 final opinion or your conclusion. So if you can added all these 10 key points inside your review, I can assure you you must get better result. It's a high converting review. I personally do it and I recommend you to do it. Okay, if you want to see my review website, then you can see it. You see here it's my review website, review with Raju, and you see seller's pearl product review. Okay, and you see all of my content of this review. You see here at the first, you see here here is the introduction. Okay, the summary of this product, then introduction the product, then why this product is recommended for anyone, then how it works in 3 steps, innovative features, then the demo, and how it make money for you, what sellers pearl do for you, do you need to use, how you converting pages or funnels, then how it difference from other available tools or market, does it ought to buy, and the final opinion. Okay, so if you can added all the key points inside your review, I assure you you must get result. Okay guys, that's it. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, a lot of money making opportunities inside my YouTube channel. So if you want to make money with affiliate marketing, with online marketing, then subscribe my YouTube channel and check all the make money opportunities. And if you are interested in affiliate marketing and want to make 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description. A lot of money making opportunities here, you can check it. And if you want to write a high converting review, must include all these 10 key points and get the best result, the better result. Okay guys, that's it. See you soon. God bless you. Bye. And don't forget to like this video. If you have any question, then comment in the comment box, and don't forget to share this video with others. Bye.